Hello, welcome to BTH. In this video I show you how to install Android on your desktop or laptop. You can use this method to turn an old computer into an Android computer. You use your Android computer to run mobile applications, such as playing mobile games with a mouse, keyboard, and large screen. To do that, you need to install PrimeOS on your computer. PrimeOS is an operating system with Android Core, so it has Play Store. Thanks to the Play Store you can install mobile apps on your computer. After downloading the PrimeOS installer, use a USB hard drive of at least 2 GB in size to create the bootable installer. I recommend you to use your Rufus tool to create a bootable PrimeOS installer. Rufus is a small, free and installation-free tool for creating a bootable installer. The installer has been created successfully. You plug the USB drive into the target computer and power on the computer. You access the BIOS of the target computer and set the boot order. Here I set the boot order on the ASUS motherboard. You set the target computer to boot from the newly created USB hard drive. Then you save your changes and start installing PrimeOS. Here you scroll down and select Advanced Options. Next you choose to install PrimeOS automatically on the specified hard drive. Here there is a hard drive and a USB drive. I will install PrimeOS on a hard drive of size 60 GB. The data on your hard drive will be erased before installing the operating system, so don't forget to back up your data before installing PrimeOS. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete the installation. Installation is complete. You run PrimeOS for the first time. You are required to create a username and set up your computer's time zone. Now you need to prepare a Google account to log into Play Store. Once you successfully log into Play Store, you can install mobile apps for this computer. You install and use the same mobile apps as your Android phone. I have finished installing Android on my computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and help me 10,000 subscribe. You get to play mobile games with mouse, keyboard and big screen.